Well, what can I say about this one, man? She is no cream puff. No, she's not. A little rough around the edges. Yeah, that's putting it very, very mildly. Yeah, got ourselves a 1964 Buick LeSabre. And real quick, man, if you enjoy any of these videos that I make out here in these junkyards, man, throw your boy a like, man. Maybe consider subscribing if you like this sort of stuff. Anyways, yeah, we're out here at Austin, man. Austin Wrench Apart. I'm gonna make a live in a little bit, but make a video of this one real quick before I do that live. Anyways, yeah, saw that it popped up and I wanted to come check it out, but man, she is really rough. That's what happens when you don't when they don't post a picture of the damn car or anything and make a little trip, and yeah, you get this. Yeah, just a pretty bare bones, and I mean bare bones. Well, she's got a little bit of options, I guess you'd say, but she's really, really rough, man. Yeah, I think this car was coming apart big time. Look at that. Looks like it's not even Bondo, it's like some kind of rubberized stuff. Look at all that. Wow. I like the emblem there, though. They couldn't get in the trunk, so yeah, they did that to it. Sucks. Luckily, the letters, the emblem survived. Yeah, might get them. But she is rough, man. Damn. Yeah, you don't really see this up, North Texas, up in Dallas, Fort Worth area. Not like this, man. Like I said, we're in Austin. I don't know if this car came from even further south than this, but look at that, man. Look at that. Those channels are gone. I did just a little bit of digging in here just to see if any, but I mean, this car looks like it's been sitting. It's already like breaking apart right there. Yeah. Rough car, man. The bumper there is all rusting through. But surprisingly, there's a couple of goodies on it, I guess. Let me walk around the other way. I wonder if that glass would fit my car. Windshield's busted. I think every other glass is good except for the windshield. The grill looks good. Front bumper looks good. Uh-oh, I'm gonna get there's somebody asking me a question. What's up, man?
One more time.
What's up, man?
I couldn't find it on this one.
On a steel one, I'm not sure on a steel one though. That one does look like an 18. Yeah. Yeah, she's gonna be on the sides, I think, on this one. I think. Yeah, and I can't hold on a second. Alright, sorry about that. I said I needed to see if we can figure out a wheel size. But yeah, that, like I said, the grill looks good. It's got some pitting on it though, I think. Yeah, some pitting on it. Pot metal's not cheap to to re-chrome either when there's pitting. It's missing the might be broken too. Yeah, I think they broke the Buick symbol there in the front. Bumper looked good, but it is rusted through, man. Like I said, this car is badly rusted. Got all these cool aftermarket, old school side lights here. I know you can, mirrors. Damn, this is on there. Man, but I look at the price at this place, man. They want like, God, I think for side mirrors, they want like $30 or something like that for these mirrors here, man. You know? That's ridiculous, man. Like I said, I like these emblems. Yeah, we're looking there. We don't need to look at that. But yeah, this is one rough car. I mean, I don't know what you could even want to get off of this. I mean, there's glass, There's no hail damage on it. I mean, the hood looks good, but it's rusted up in the front. Hold on a second, man. I gotta get my air freshener. Shout out to Axe, Dark Temptations. I found this one in another car looking for some gloves or a glove or something to use it. This, man, there we go. There we go. Usually they're empty. Headliner's ripped. I mean, this whole car, look at this. That would have been some nice, I like that. I like the design on that. I like the material. Yeah. I like the fabric anyways. That was cool. Oh. Yeah, but man. Jeez. I want to say it says engine good, trans good, I think. I don't know what that is there. Not sure. Yeah. I like that. Alright, got the little remote here on for your, still works too. Like I said, too bad they're super expensive here. Alright, man, let me call this out, man. 66, is that 666? Well, there you go, man. Actually, we'll go back. No, it's 9. We're going that way. It's 4K40309999. If I'm reading that correctly. I was hoping this car might have been just, you know, a little bit more high class, more, you know, optioned out. But this is cool, though. I've always liked this deal. That right there. Yeah, that's nice. I mean, she's still, no, it don't really work no more. Lighter ashtray. Nothing in there though. Cracked on the steering wheel. I don't know, they must have broke the original turn signal lever there, and they got this big old deal here. Looks like a freaking semi truck or something. Is that for your smartphone? Ugh. Is that for your smartphone? No, it's to write you some directions. It's old school. That's some old school stuff right there. Let's go around the other way. I know you're probably saying, what the hell are we even going around the other way for? I was hoping not to have to edit this video, but that dude caught me off guard. Can't open this door, stuck. Look at all that rat poop. Ugh. Yeah, that's pretty cool though on these. Look how they open up. Freaking, they open up backwards or opposite. Usually they. Like I said, I looked up in there, took all that crap out of there, and there was nothing. A little more. I know that's stupid, but you know, did find these though. It's like an ignition, but that looks used. Looks like the original maybe, and they put a new one on there, but no keys. So Borg Warner, made in Mexico, says there. And you got a Delco here. Also, I think made in Mexico. But looks like we got some brand new points condenser there. Yeah, look brand new. You know, kind of a must back in the day. I don't want to have a spare in case something goes wrong on the side of the road. But yeah, what do y'all think, man? She's savable? And there's a lot of people like, oh, you know, there's people out there be like, man, you can save it. Not this one, man. Not this one. Yeah, like I said, I was hoping it might have been more option with maybe a power bench seat or something like that, factory AC. But man. I'll tell you one thing though. Check it out, man. Check that out. Aluminum drums. I've seen them selling for like about close to $200 or something, around $200 for the set. But this place is ridiculous, man. They are ridiculous with the price on these drums. They want like, I think, $30 a piece on them. Ugh. Yeah, it's a little too much. I'm talking $60. You know, by the time you sell them on eBay, you're looking at maybe making $100 on them, maybe. Yeah, I don't think it's worth it. Letters are still there. This trim is still here. This trim piece. Now we have under the hood the mighty Buick 300. I pulled this engine, one of these, out of my '66 Buick Special station wagon that I got. When I bought it, the engine was locked up. Yeah, of course by then it was all cast iron. This thing 64 only. The intake is aluminum, and the heads are aluminum too. I think before this, like 63 and a few years before, they were all aluminum. I think they had issues though. I can't really see right, me in the way. Like I said, no AC in Texas. I thought that was cool. Check that out, man. It says Judson electronic magneto. Isn't that cool? Obviously, they had already, I mean, they had the regular coil on there, but yeah, I thought that was pretty freaking neat, man. You know, they don't really sell for much. You know, I see you can get a brand new NOS one. I see people selling for around $100-something on eBay, but you know, I kind of read mixed reviews as far as, you know, their dependability and stuff. But yeah, if this would have been this is a 2-barrel version, so this is like barely 200 horsepower, you know, somewhere around there. Now, if it would have been the V8 version, I mean the 4-barrel version on this one, I would have ganked that intake. We'd be looking for them 4-barrel intakes. But other than that, man, we're talking power drums, you know. At least it's power, right? And then we got power steering as well. But other than that, yeah. On these, I wonder, because you got these panels that look like they come apart. I wonder if that's just I have to look and see if that's the way they were on these cars. You know, like in case seems odd like that would be there. Doesn't seem like that's correct for some reason. Yeah, I have to take a look. But anyways, let's see if we can take just a quick look underneath. Probably bad under here too. X-frame, as you can see. Take a quick look underneath here. Ankle braces are gone. Yeah, this car's toast. Alright, well, that's gonna do it, man. I don't think I've got anything else that I can show on it. Last on the road, I want to say it was at 96, I think that's 96. So, you know, well over 2 decades. There it is, 1964. I had this deal here holding it. 1964 Buick LeSabre. Yeah, there's a few other cars I'm gonna take a look at real quick in this yard. I'm gonna do a live for that though. There it is. All right, man.